These are red currants. Wait, let me get a close-up. Oh, wow.
One berry at a time.
Pull it off and eat it, honey. Do you like it? Are they sweet or sour?
Yeah, little on the sour side.
Sounds like his name is Rambo.
Yeah.
Is his name Rambo?
It's Rambo, yeah? Rambo, yeah. Yeah, Rambo.
Rambo. That's a name in America, is Rambo.
Big lilaisunds.
Oh yeah, big.
And what's the big one's name?
Is all that. But Messi thought it was Izo.
What's the big dog's name?
Izo or something. Isa.
Isa?
Isa?
Isa, so it's close on down in south. But it is all day country. Wow.
That dog is Border Collie, I think. The little one.
The dudes, no?
What did you say your dad thought it was?
He thinks that
Lab or something?
it's mixed.
Yeah, but it's definitely got Border Collie in there.
They don't care about what kind of breed.
Yeah, I know. God knows they can make a lot of noise. Can I try one?
But it's south side, so Jaden wasn't poor. He liked those ones. But this is sour.
I like it.
You can't eat them.
But it is... Why?
Fiber?
Oh. Well, that's alright, because it's a little sour anyway. Jaden! Are we going to go exploring today? And these... Oh no, this is... I don't know what all those bushes are, but there's something. There's another red currant bush. Look at how pretty it is. And there is a gigantic barn. There's something. I don't know what that is way back there. And then there's this thing. Some sort of barn. And then there's some house back there. And then that's their house. Yes.
Make movie of us people.
I am.
Bouters?
Ja, dat moet
But dat is soldaten.
Oh, those are clear. What's that?
White currants, supposed to be sweeter. I'll offer Jaden some. Oh. Jaden, hi. You like these? He likes white currants, they're not as sour.
I want to try one.
No, tak dit wat is goed voor gribatie.
Oh, they're clear.
Varētu sargāt to malu un vienalga kur.
No.
Tu izdomā, ko mums rādīt. Mēs jau neko
Ko
nezinām.
es izrādīju? Es tev varu rādīt visu. Nu.
Oh, it's got a little seed in it, and it's very odd.
Sāks ar traktoriem, viņam patīk tehnika.
Not in love with that.
Iesim klāt.